Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Tor browser app. So all you have to do, just click here on settings, click on it here, and you just click on settings. It's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here, then you click on apps, come to apps list here, and there you're looking for your browser app, or just click on search. So then here at your browse app, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it, so then it's going to take you to this list here. Click on for stop, click on OK. So then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.